There are so many features available on the Galaxy S10. In this video, we will discover one of the most useful Android One UI hidden features you probably don't know. Today we are talking about how to enable Pin Windows feature in Samsung One UI. Secure your Android phone with screen pinning. It's a helpful security tool that limits access to your device to only one app, perfect for those times when someone asks to borrow your phone. To activate this feature, go to the Settings. Then Biometrics and Security. Tap on Other Security Settings. There will you find Pin Windows. After that, if you want any app to be pinned, just open it for normal use. Then press the Recent App button. Press the app icon at the top and choose Pin this app. Once pinned, you can safely hand your phone over to coworkers, friends, or family members without having to worry about them digging around where they shouldn't be. To unpin the app, touch and hold the Recent and Back buttons at the same time. This will unpin the screen and return you the lock screen. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.